we're going to talk about the most versatile arpeggio you can use in your solos. I'm talking about the minor 7 flat 5. If we played it starting on the 5th fret on the 5th string, we got this. It sounds mysterious, and it will be even more mysterious when we apply two different chords. The first option, it's obvious. We are playing a minor 7 flat 5 in a minor 2 5, and we start our phrases on the minor 2 chord. This arpeggio sounds cool, but against this chord, it doesn't add anything special because we are just playing chord tones and no tensions, no superstructures or anything. However, if we played it against a dominant chord, we will begin to hear new colors over our improvisations. Let's start thinking in B flat dominant, in a B flat blues, and we will be having this chord from our third. If you pay attention, we play 3rd, 5th, flat 7 and 9th. So this is a beautiful way of adding an extra color to our regular dominant arpeggio. We can use it harmonically and add one more voicing to our B flat arsenal. So instead of playing this, we will be playing this. Let's put it into a B flat blues context. It sounds really great, and for now we are just moving the same position up and down. But we are going to transpose to another set of strings in order to play these voicings in position without moving our hands to all the fretboard. The thinking is as follows: B flat from the 3rd, now we are moving to the 4th, which is E flat, so from the 3rd the chord will be G minor 7 flat 5. And when we move to the 5th, which is F7, we go to the 3rd, in this case A, so A minor 7 flat 5. Let's put it all together. You can use this shape for improvising over the whole blues, changing when the chord changes, and try to find interesting phrases, moving rhythms and motifs. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, you only have to transpose the same shape to the different chords of the blues in order to outline all the harmonies and being inside of the blues, adding one note, which is the 9th. But things don't end there. If we are playing a regular C minor blues, we get this relationship between the tonic chord C minor and the relative, which is A minor 7 flat 5. These two chords are actually the same. In this case, we will need to shoot our arpeggio from the 6th. So we just focus on that note and play the rest of the arpeggio. When we move to the 4th, we do the same. We focus on the 6th and play the arpeggio. Going back to the root. So now you have a beautiful way of outlining both the tonic and the 4th chord in a minor blues, employing the same resource, which is our beloved minor 7 flat 5 arpeggio. Of course, The harmony applies also in this example. We move from this position to the fourth, and finally the last use, which is employing it over a dominant chord to get this beautiful alto sound. The math here is simple. If we are playing against a G alto sound, we will start our phrases from the flat 7 and shoot our minor 7 flat 5 arpeggio from there. And we will get flat 7, flat 9, third, and flat 13 also, ending up on the flat 7 again. At this point, probably you have realized that you can play the minor to 5 employing just minor 7 flat 5 arpeggios. Let's check this out. Arpeggio from the root on the first chord. Arpeggio from the flat 7 on the alto dominant. And from the tonic chord, we will start our phrase from the 6th. Something like this. Thank you very much for watching, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, you got all the PDFs with the materials available for free on my website, so check them out. See you in the next one.